Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the rolling hills, there was a field known as the Enchanted Flax Field. This field was unlike any other, for it only grew the rare and beautiful flax plant. One day, a curious young boy named Timmy stumbled upon this magical field. Intrigued, he approached the field, his eyes wide with wonder. The soft, shimmering green of the flax plants caught his attention, and he couldn't resist the urge to touch them. As he ran his fingers through the flax, a strange thing happened. The plants began to glow, emitting a warm, soothing light that filled the field. Timmy stood there, mesmerized by the sight. He had never seen anything like it before. Suddenly, an old woman appeared, her hair woven with golden strands of flax. She introduced herself as the guardian of the Enchanted Flax Field. Timmy asked her about the glowing plants. The flax plants, she explained, are magical. They possess the power to bring happiness and calmness to those who come in contact with them. However, this power can only be unlocked when the flax is touched with a pure heart. Timmy, with tears of joy in his eyes, thanked the guardian for sharing such an incredible secret. He promised to keep the field's magic a secret and to use the flax wisely. From that day forward, Timmy would visit the Enchanted Flax Field every day, touching the glowing plants and feeling their calming energy. He began to notice a change in himself. He felt happier, more peaceful, and more grateful for the simple things in life. The story of the Enchanted Flax Field teaches us that magic can be found in the most unexpected places, and sometimes all it takes is a pure heart to uncover it. So remember, when you encounter something extraordinary, approach it with an open mind and a pure heart, and you might just find a little magic of your own.